In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Google Docs. Whether you're adding emphasis to a presentation, highlighting an important point, or simply experimenting with the look of your document, underlining text is a straightforward task in Google Docs. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you become confident and efficient when working with text modifications. To begin, open your Google Docs document that has the text you'd like to underline. Once you're in the document, start by selecting the specific text you wish to underline. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text, or if you're on a mobile device, pressing and holding until the text is selected. The selected text will be highlighted, indicating it's ready for formatting changes. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find a menu bar. Here, you will want to locate the Format menu, which is typically situated after the Insert menu. Clicking on this menu will reveal a drop-down list of formatting options. This menu hosts a variety of text and paragraph options that allow you to customize the look and feel of your document. In the drop-down list from the Format menu, you're going to focus on the Text option. Hover over or click on Text to progress to more formatting choices specific to text style and appearance. This is where you'll find several options to modify your text, such as bold, italicize, and of course, underline. Now that you're within the Text submenu, you'll see an option labeled Underline. Click on Underline to apply it to the text you selected earlier. If you have decided to remove the underline from the text, clicking the Underline option again will toggle it off. This toggle feature is quite useful, allowing you to easily experiment with your document's design without permanent changes. Remember, underlining isn't just about aesthetics. It can significantly enhance clarity and focus by drawing a reader's eye to particularly important sections. However, try not to overuse it, as too much underlining can make a document harder to read by diluting its emphasis. This simple yet effective tool is a fantastic way to enhance your Google Docs content, making it both engaging and easy to navigate. With these steps, you should now be able to underline text in Google Docs with ease. We hope this quick guide helps you deliver your documents with just the right touch of emphasis. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on using Google Docs to its full potential.